Okay, we'll take a little tour of this. I was a little disappointed. I didn't realize it had so many problems, but when Aldo talked to me about it today, he said, you know, things that didn't have problems were going to cost 50 to 100,000 pesos more, so it is what it is. And he says that if he puts his mind to it, he can fix it in a couple of weeks, and it's going to be with him. How do I open this? It's going to be with him on the job site, so he can go ahead and do that. He says while he's working, he'll just have people working on the motorhome, and by the time it's in the contract, they'll be ready to go where we want to go. So let me turn this around. Yeah, they replaced carpet here, and they did a bad job. The upholstery is pretty worn. There's a lot of water damage, actually. Aldo says there's no mold, and that's the thing that matters. He pulled that down himself, he said, and he took a look beneath the wallpaper or whatever. But there's a lot of damage. The table isn't even here. The sink is gone. The stove works. They didn't use it, apparently. There's a story here. Let me see if I can move this smoothly. This was owned by a politician who used it for her campaign as a operations base. And I don't know if she won or not. Who cares? And obviously she bought it from somebody else, but they treated this thing badly and didn't care. And yeah, so this is what it's like now. It's it's in bad shape. Yeah. There's no double bed. I want a double bed, but okay. Let's see. The bypass, the pass-by water tank for heating the water is not working, and the pressurization pump is not really working. Look at this thing. But hey, it's a motorhome. And Aldo's gonna fix it all. He was a little concerned about how concerned I was. I was taken by surprise. I thought this would be different. I thought it'd be in better shape. One of the things that really gets to me is that the piece in front, see, you can see how it's coming down there. Yeah, look at that, it's all bent. So thank God I'm married to a architect. Lots of leaks in the roof. The little thing's broken. There's a window broken here somewhere. The tires are soft. Oh, I love this. I love this in the back. The spare tire. Look at the spare tire. Yeah. But we have a motorhome, and that's what matters. Okay, I just wanted to update you because I thought you'd be intrigued. Cheers. He says that they never used the gas, so the gas is working.
It's not a new car. I know. I need to fix some little part or big part for this. But this is maybe it's not what I expect, but we'll see what I can do. I need to check the water system. I believe maybe it's working. Today I need to check. There are some parts for this motorhome. I don't know who is or what happened because I don't know. There are some parts maybe very important for very good job, but I know. There are some parts like this is maybe I need to buy another new. This is working. There are some parts is stolen because it's alone, and some part come in the guys and taking the what is say this
Microwave.
microwave is stolen. And water system is if you open this area, there are water, but I don't know for sure there are more pressure, good pressure. So I need to check this system. You can come in this area. The shower on this, I need to check the water system. I believe it's working because before the people is only using like a little office.
Yeah, I told them about that.
But this part is okay. Maybe there are a little problem with the roof and little part in the front.
Yeah, you said the front third about this. From about here, you said forward, it's gonna need repairs.
But for me, the more important part is the car is.
The motor's good.
It's good. The engine.
Yeah, the
is
engine.
Okay.
And the suspension.
And the 90% is okay. I can fix. I believe for sure I can fix the big part, and maybe and Kim said is not for sure, but I am sure is in the term for my new job, maybe one and a half or 2 months. This is ready for going the beach or something like that. But
Yeah.
this is what I thinking about. I don't know. Kim is not sure, but I believe this is okay.
I just thought you wouldn't have time to do those kinds of repairs while you're doing your job, but
It's a big, and it's no big job. There are people can help me, the electric and the seats and water. And there are people can help me. And the walls is for me. I don't like it. The first of all, I don't like this color on this texture.
yeah,
I can,
well,
yeah, for sure I can change maybe for something like a wood. Or plastic, but it's good.
I think I'd like a bit more color, actually.
More color and more comfort. For another is, for me, it's working right now. If you know, I can sell for sale. If you don't like it in 2 months, I can change this.
You sell it?
Yes, but it's for sure.
No,
it's not
we'll see how it
happiness.
goes. I just wasn't prepared. That's all. I've been telling him that he noticed I was not really happy.
I know it's not like a motorhome in the Canada. The Winnebago is a beautiful car and bigger and more new. But for me, it's for the worker coming here and eating and rest a little part on the day. For me too, you know.
Okay. Well, I'm happy. I just didn't expect quite this exact thing.
It's not what I think it is.
Okay. So that's the report from Aldo, and he's the guy in charge of this. He's gonna fix it up.
And that is very important for me because I believe it's a good car. The only what I need is a little repair or fixing some little part, but and big part is okay.
Okay.
Today I am working on this. Maybe
Okay.
it will be fixed.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, cheers.